Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I will tell what is loan. So let's start the video. What is loan? A loan is a form of debt incurred by an individual or other entity. The lender, usually a corporation, financial institution or government, advance a sum of money to the borrower. In return, the borrower agrees to a certain set of terms, including any finance charges, interest, repayment date, and other conditions. People also ask, what is loan in simple words? A loan is a sum of money that one or more individuals or companies borrow from bank or other financial institutions so as to financially manage planned or unplanned events. In doing so, the borrows insurance a debit which he has to pay back with interest and within a given period of time. What is a loan in English terms? Below are common loan terms that help you expand your loan vocabulary so you can make a more informed decision when borrowing money. Annual percentage rate, APR, borrower default, collateral, co-borrower, co-signer, credit score, fixed interest rate. Okay. Next question, what is the meaning of loan term? A loan term is defined as the length of the loan or the length of time it takes for a loan to be paid off completely when the borrower is making regularly scheduled payments. These loans can either be short or long term, and the time it takes to pay off debit from the loan can be referred to as that loan's terms. Which type of loan is best? A personal loan is probably the best way to go for those who need to borrow a relatively small amount of money and are certain they can repay it within a couple of years. A personal loan calculator can be useful tool for determining what kind of interest rate is within your means. What is loan and its types? A loan is when you receive money from a friend, bank, or financial institution in exchange for the repayment of the principal and interest. They can be unsecured like a personal loan or cash advance loan, or they may be secured like a mortgage or home equity line. What are loan rules called? Loan terms refer to the term and conditions involved when borrowing money. This can include the loan's repayment period, the interest rate and fee associated with the loan, penalty fee borrowers might be charged, and any other special conditions that may apply. What is loan money called? The principal, the money that you borrow, the interest. This is like paying rent on the money you borrow. Which loan is best for students? Summary: best education loan in November 2023. Company Forbes advisor rating interest rate range: State Bank of India 8.30% to 11.50%. Punjab National Bank 4.5 8.55% to 11.25%. Bank of Baroda 4.0 9.10% to 12.45%. ICICI Bank 4.0 9.50 onwards. What is zero interest loan? As its name suggested, a zero interest loan is one where only the principal balance must be repaid, provided that the borrower honors the regard deadline by which the entire balance must be satisfied. Failure to complete with the deadline carries hefty penalties. What is loan method? The loan process. The lender advances the process of the loan, after which the borrowers must repay the amount, including any additional charges such as interest. The terms of a loan are agreed to by each party before any money or property changes hands or is disbursed. What is loan interview question? Additional loan officer interview question: how do you deal with a client whose loan has been rejected? How do you go about ensuring the confidentiality of client's financial information? How do you sell a client on a loan proposal they may not feel completely sure about? How do you deal with deal with an angry customer? How to take a loan? Share, run the numbers, check your credit score, consider your option, choose your loan type, shop around for the best principal loan rates, pick a lender and apply provided necessary documents, accept the loan and start making payments. What is loan period? A loan period is the amount of time that a borrower will have to repay their loan. It will be determined by factoring in the minimum and maximum payment interest rate and principal amount simply start at the start of loan repayment all the way until the end is called the loan period. How to write a loan? What should be in a personal loan contract? Name and addresses of the lender and the borrower. Information about the loan co-borrower or co-signer. It's a joint personal loan. Loan amount and the method of disbursement. Lump sum installments, etc. Date the loan and date the loan was provided. Expected repayment date. What is a loan tenor? The loan tenor is the amount of time you have to repay a personal loan. What is loan tenor? The loan tenor is the amount of time you have to repay a personal loan. It is important to consider your financial situation while choosing a loan tenor, as it will affect your monthly payments. A longer tenure means lower EMIs and more time to repay, while a shorter tenure avoided extend financial liabilities. What is called who gives loan? A lender is an individual, a public or private group, or a financial institution that makes funds available to a person or business with the expectation that the funds will be repaid. Repayment included the payment of any interest or fee. How do bank loan works? Bank loans work similarly to personal loans you get from online lenders. After you apply, the bank will review your credit score, credit history, and debit and income to determine how much money to loan you and what annual percentage rate you qualify for. Once you get the loan, you will pay it back in monthly installment. What is the browser called? In a mortgage transaction, the lender server as the mortgages and the borrowers is known as the mortgage. Can I get a free loan? You may get an interest-free loan after fulfilling the loan company's requirements. Eligibility requirements. Therefore, check their specific eligibility criteria and documents requirements to determine your eligibility. Do not forget to check the additional charges you must pay to obtain free loans. How to calculate loan interest rate? To calculate interest rates, use the formula interest equal to principal into rate into tenure, and this equation helps determine the interest rate on investment or loans. What are the advantages of using a loan interest rate calculator? A loan interest rate calculator offers several benefits. Which is loan is low interest. Bank name Punjab and Sindh Bank. Personal loan amount up to bank name, personal loan amount, rate of interest. So let's start. Punjab and Sindh Bank up to 3 lakhs 10.15% to 12.80%. Bank of India up to 20 lakh 10.25%. IndusInd Bank IndusInd Bank of 30,000 and 25 lakhs 10.25% to 32.02%. Bank of Baroda 50,000 and 20 lakhs 10.3% to 7.50%. What is the loan formula? So to get your monthly loan payment, you must divide your interest rate by 12. Whatever figure you get, multiply it by your principal. A simpler way to look at it is monthly payment equal to principal into interest rate upon 12. The formula might seem complex, but it does not have to be. What do you take back loan? Personal loans are borrowed money that can be used for large purchases, debit, consolidation, emergency expense, and much more. How to take first time loan? First time personal loan application checklist. Pick the right lender. Enlist the required document, evaluate the fee and charges, consider the interest rate, consider your eligibility, make a repayment plan, inquiry about policy rules. What is the formula for interest rate? The formula for calculating simple interest is interest equal to P into R into T, P equal to principal amount, the bank balance, R equal to interest rate, usually per year, expressed as a decimal. T, number of the time period, generally 1 year time periods. What is loan letter? What is a home loan sanction? A home loan sanction letter is an official document issued by a lending organization to customers stating that their loan is approved. The lender issues the sanction letter after verifying the home loan applications details such as credit history, income, repayment capacity, etc. What is loan proposal? A loan proposal details the amount of funding you are seeking, how you plan to use it, and how you plan to pay it back. It will also provide the lender with information about your business and current financial situation. What is principal amount? Principal is the money that you originally agreed to pay back. Interest is the cost of borrowing. The principal generally any payment made on an auto loan will be applied first to any fee that are due. For example, late fee. What is loan company? Loan companies give out loans only. They do not safeguard your money and will require you to make repayments for your loan. Loan companies usually charge higher interest rates than banks, so be carefully not to get confused with the use of the return bank to refer to loan companies. How are loans paid? Your principal amount is spread equally over your loan repayment term, and interest charges due over the term. Although the number of year in your term might differ, you will typically have 12 payments every year. Who is smaller brewer? As per RBI, a smaller brewer account SBI is defined as an account having a credit limit of up to 2 lakh. The holders of these accounts are individual entities who have relatively small credit borrow requirements. How do bank make money? Commercial bank make money by providing and earning interest from loans such as mortgage, auto loans, business loans, and personal loans. Customer deposit provided bank with the capital to make these loans. What is the role of browser? Browser responsibilities. You must make your monthly loan payments on time, even if you don't receive a billing statement from the holder of your loan. You must continue to make payments. Payments on your on loan until you are notified that a request for a deferment of for balance has been generated. Can a housewife apply for loan? Housewives can avail of two types of personal loans: secured and unsecured personal loan. Which country is loan free? The best example can be taken from Hong Kong. It is one of the debt-free countries whose economy has the least debt to GDP ratio. It is an almost debt-free country. It has a well-regulated financial system and large foreign reserves. What is 1 rupee interest? 1 rupee interest means 12% on the principal sum. Interest is computed at the rates of 1 rupee per month. An individual who borrows rupees 100 and at an interest rate of rupee 1 will for example be required to pay rupee 1 in interest each monthly. So guys, I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel.